video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a most advanced admin system for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the admin system which we are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around 41 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file. Go to assets. Now here we need to install the SQL of the script. So as I'm using QBCore framework, so I'll be installing the SQL for QBCore. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the config, then logs.lua. Over here you can add your Discord webhook to get admin menu logs on your Discord channel. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now open the setting.lua. So this is the main configuration of the script over here. In the framework section, I'll be keeping it on auto, and for the notification, I'll be keeping it on auxlib. And from here, you can change the language for your system. So I'll be keeping it on English. And over here, you can provide your server's name. And this is the command to open the admin panel over here, as you can see. So this is the configuration for your system which you are using in your FiveM server, like ambulance system, housing system, inventory system, and more. And this is the command to open the quick action menu. The shortcut key is going to be F6. You can configure it according to your preference. And there are much more things which you can configure from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. So get to the config part. Then basic config. Over here you have to select according to your framework. So as I'm using QBCore framework, so I'll be configuring it for QBCore. First we need to go to QBCore server, then functions.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code, then copy this line of code, then paste it over here. Copy this as well, then this code as well. Now in the same path, open the commands.lua. Now we have to find this line of code, copy it from here, then search it over here. Now copy these line of codes and replace it over here, just like this. Now copy these line of codes, open your server.cfg, then paste them over here, just like this. Now we have to ensure the script in our server.cfg. For that, copy the name and ensure it over here, just like this. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default admin menu from your resource, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now to open the admin panel, we have to type /admin panel. Now here we need to create an account for the admin panel. After that, click on save and continue. So our admin panel has been started now, as you can see. So these are the quick actions which you can perform through this admin panel, like going invisible. If you click over here, you can easily write an announcement to the server. As you can see, by clicking over here, you can toggle the God mode. Even you can change the server's time. Here it will show the list of all the staffs available in the server. And if you click on any staff, it will show the information about the staff. If you click on players, it will show the list of all the players available in the server. This is the option of map over here. By clicking over here, you can see the online players, and also you can see the trackers of online players. If you click on a tracker, you will get these 4 options. So let's check out view screen. As you can see, through this you can view the screen of that particular player. This is the option for logs. These are some predefined groups with the custom permissions. If you want to create a group, you just have to click over here and can allow custom permissions to that particular group. If you click over here, you can check all the ban status. This is the Tibex terminal and these are the resources over here. You can also customize the UI of the admin panel from this option. So this is everything about this admin panel. If you press F6, you will get the quick admin panel over here, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.